Alright, so, oh shoot, look at that. I almost forgot one bolt. Almost forgot one bolt here because I put all the bolts in the places so I don't lose them. And I know what goes where. And I literally forgot to put this bolt down. You don't want to over tighten it. That's up to you though. Some people like to remove the whole gas tank. I don't want to do more work than I have to do. So, you know, that's just me. That's just me. That's just me. Right, so we got it all back together. Didn't have to remove the gas tank completely, and I mean, you don't need a lot of knowledge to get this done. First, I was going to take this back to my shop guy to have him put the air filter in and do like the chain. I am still on the fence about this chain, man. Like, I want to do it, and I probably should do it, but I kind of like how the bike rides in its gearing now, but I kind of really want to just go all out and do all the bolt-ons that I can. Still don't know if I'm going to end up doing the stacks or not. I just don't know. Like, I'm not really trying to chase top end power like some of the other guys are, and I know when they are when you're roll racing, that's the whole point, is to get to your maximum watt, your total horsepower, at the top of the red line. You're supposed to red line it out, but I don't really ride like that. Now I might start riding like that in the future, so I think that's why I'm saying I don't know if I really want to mess with the stacks, because I don't know how much I'm gonna actually utilize that top end power, especially going top end. Like, I don't really do it much at all. I haven't really done it yet, so let's get a start up. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get this exhaust checked out. Go ahead. Hop on off. Get this exhaust checked out. Too much clicking for me.